Hi, my name is Vishal Vaibhav and I'm a top-rated video editor and a graphics designer with 100% job success rate on Upwork.com, the largest freelance platform in the world. For any issues or challenges that you are facing in video editing and graphics design, I'm here to help you. Let me tell you exactly why. I'm a top-rated freelancer with a 100% job success rate, which represents the top 10% of the freelancers in the world. Since the past 12 months, I've completed over 20 projects and earned over $2,000 on Upwork. Client experience is my #1 priority, and that is reflected in the numerous 5-star reviews on my profile. This is core to my work as a freelancer, and I take great pride in over-delivering. I've worked with many content creators and helped them grow with my graphics design and video editing skills. I've edited corporate videos, real estate videos, music videos, vlogs, travel videos, and I'm a specialist when it comes to editing vertical videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. I also have experience as a graphics designer, and I've designed podcast covers, flyers, banners, and I'm a specialist of designing YouTube thumbnails. I would love to hear about your project and most importantly, how I can help you. Contact me today so that we can schedule a quick introduction call to ensure that I will be the perfect fit for you. Thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to meeting you. And I hope you have an amazing day.